Chinese health authorities are still working to identify the virus behind a pneumonia outbreak in the central city of Wuhan.
The coronavirus has spread to countries across the world, but officials believe that it all started in Wuhan, China. It's believed that the virus may have originated from a market in the city where people can buy an assortment of wild game meat. And an article in the New York Times puts the spotlight on that market and others like it in China.
The death toll of the Wuhan coronavirus has risen to 170, and the number of confirmed new cases has grown to more than 7,000. The outbreak started in Wuhan City in December 2019. Now it's reached every corner of China and hit over a dozen other countries around the world. But here's how this
deadly coronavirus has now been discovered inside the United States. In China, officials say the virus has killed at least 9 people and infected 473 others. Millions are wearing masks and taking other precautions. The virus has reached several other countries in Asia and is now here in this country, in Washington state.
Today in Rome, doing as the Romans do means not doing much at all. Under rules announced late last night, across Italy, only food stores and pharmacies will stay open, and so far, few reports of stockpiling. In the capital, streets are mostly empty, tourist spots are closed, and Rome's famous restaurants.
A new leap in the spread of coronavirus in France, with the number of confirmed cases jumping by nearly 50% in just 24 hours. The French government maintains, though, that the spread of the disease remains at stage 2.
The CDC tonight says Europe is the new epicenter of the epidemic, with 70% of new cases originating here.
WHO has been assessing this outbreak around the clock, and we're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction. We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
Today, the World Health Organization officially announced that this is a global pandemic. We have been in frequent contact with our allies, and we are marshaling the full power of the federal government and the private sector to protect the American people.
The Irish Prime Minister Leo Varadkar, in the last half an hour, has said that all schools, colleges and childcare facilities in Ireland will close until March 29th. Let's turn to our Deputy Political Editor, Sam Coates.
So, day 1 of lockdown, working from home today. Don't know how it's gonna be. It's 8 a.m. now. I'm quite happy to be home. At the same time, I don't know how it's gonna work because being home for 2 weeks, working from home, it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be hard. But anyway, let's see. First coffee of this morning and first meeting online. Let's see how it goes. It's lunchtime now. I had my quick lunch and I'm enjoying my break at home. So it's 6 p.m. now. Just finished work. I finished on the couch because my back was a bit hurting. I think I'm gonna buy a desk chair because my current chair doesn't help. What else? Business as usual. Work is busy but not busy because of Corona, just business as usual. So yeah, and gonna go to Tesco now, see if I can buy anything to eat. So It's not dead, but it's really quiet. Well, still all gone. Nothing left. I got new chair because can't work with my other sheet chair. Why didn't I film my videos like this? Anyway, so back from Tesco, we have toilet paper, luckily. Pasta gone, no any meat left, even fish is gone, no more rice, no eggs, no more vegetables or fruit, and no more bread. I went to 3 different shops. So first I went to Tesco, didn't find anything. I went to Lidl, didn't find anything. Then I went to Marks and Spencer. So they had some meats left, but it was kind of like, I don't know, like weird, like meat with already cooked, so it wasn't like with garlic inside or pepper, and I didn't want something already. I just wanted to buy my own. Plain meat, but didn't find any, or eggs anyway. And I went to Aldi as well, nothing, so I gave up. I think I will go tomorrow morning and see if I can find anything, but yeah, it's crazy. I didn't buy much, just what I usually buy for my week. I usually go grocery shopping on Friday for my week, so then I will see. I got milk, some milk was left, but yeah, that's all. So it's the weekend now. I don't know what to do at home for 2 days, 2 weeks actually, so we'll see how it goes.